A. Venture capital is a business that finances startups. A new business that has recently been launched is referred to as a startup in this context. Many startups in Korea have recently experienced substantial growth. Venture capitalists are another group who make money by lending money to new businesses. Venture capitalist, judge. Venture capitalists are also called judges. Their work includes the following. They start by finding startups. They look for teams that have started new businesses in startup-related events and startup clubs in universities. Second, if they find a good startup, they invest in it. They meet the startup team members and carefully listen to what they have to offer and their plans before making an investment. The venture capitalists also research the market that the startup will enter. They make the final decision on investment after several investigations and meetings. Third, they follow up and manage the company they invested in. They check whether the company is running the business properly and sometimes help operate it. Method of investment. Startups are categorized into seed, Series A, Series B, and Series C depending on the growth stage. Then, how can a startup in the seed stage move on to Series A? There may be many criteria, but in the industry, a startup is considered to have grown into Series A when it receives a Series A investment. Then, is there a stage beyond Series C? Since a company can continue to grow, there are higher stages, of course. The subsequent stages are called Series D and Series F. However, the companies in these stages have already grown too big, so they are rather not named Series D or F. Investment firms are set up according to each growth stage, which is how the startup growth stages are classified. Some companies only invest in companies in the seed stage, while others only invest in those in Series B. Then, what do startups give in exchange for investment firms? It's none other than stock. Venture capital makes money at a later time when the startup expands and the value of the stock goes up.